want to create your online course, but you are not sure what kind of equipment and tools you need to create your video, right? So in this video, I want to talk about the equipment and tools you need so that you can create a high quality course, right? So let's talk about it. There are two ways for you to create your course video. The first one is you can create what we call screen capture video, which means you are doing something on the computer and you just record it, right? Another one is you can record what we call talking head, just like I talk to camera like this. So this is a really common video type as well. So what are the tools we need, right? So if you want to do screen capture, all you need is a microphone and a recording software. Now, there are some options for you. You can use some webcam, right? So you record your talking head as well. But sometimes it's really hard to operate on the computer and look at the camera at some time. So this is a really option for you. And another one is you can use mind map software. So I think that's a really great alternative for like a presentation software. You can choose PowerPoint or Keynote, but for me, it's easier for me to create a presentation on mind map, and it's really quick. So I can finish my outline on the mind map, and then I can create the entire training with the mind map, right? Then if you want to create talking head video, the first thing you want is camera. It can be your phone, or it can be your DSLR, or it can be a really professional camera. And also you need a microphone, right? So it should be a directional microphone so that it can get a clear sound. And also you should get some light, unless you have a really sufficient natural light in your place. But most of the time it doesn't, right? So you want to get some light. And also, you may need some backdrop like this one, right? So you need a backdrop so that it can look more professional. Unless you get a really white wall, then you can use that. But most of the time, I would recommend you to get a backdrop. Then you may need a whiteboard if you want to explain something with a whiteboard. So that's the tools you need if you want to create a talking head video. So I would say that if you only have a limited budget, then screen capture is the best option for you because all the things are super cheap. But if you can pay for the camera, you can pay for the light, then if you want to create a more interactive video, then talking head is the video for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to learn more about how to create online course, you can click on link below, or you can go to thecoursecreationchallenge.com to sign up for the challenge. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.